So we're currently at Bali, Indonesia, and today we're figuring out if it's possible to board an airplane with a dinosaur. Here's the plan. Like, we're a little bit afraid that if we walk with the dinosaur through the check-in, they will like stop us and sorry, you can't do that. So the plan is to check in. As soon as we get through the check-in, Ola will take on the dinosaur suit and we will try to board the plane with the dinosaur. That's the plan. That's the dream. Through the check-in, putting on the suit. The suit is on, the air is floating in. This is our plane. Let's do this! When you get a high five from the security guard. This was how far we got. Terima kasih banyak. Apa kabar? Bagus. Okay, so we didn't manage to board the flight with the suit, and it's understandable. I can't even stand up here straight, so with the 2.5 meter high dinosaur would be a little bit hard, but there are some more because we have been flying another flight today, so take a look at this. We're just having fun, we're not trying to offend anyone, just like, yeah. You don't get more fun than you create yourself. So today, Olav is that guy. This is the guy that people are going to share stories about today. Like, oh, today we had a dinosaur at the airport. It's so good sometimes to be that guy. If you can be a person that are that guy in a story, you will bring a lot of joy. The final moments. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa. We gotta call this experiment a huge success. Hello, thank you. Made it to Sumba. Thanks to Olav, who was like, when I mentioned it in, what do you think about flying with a dinosaur? It's like, I'm so in. Now, yeah, so you don't get more fun than you create yourself. We had a lot of fun, a lot of laughter because of that. Now we're enjoying Sumba for a week. So next edit from Sumba probably. Thank you for watching, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and let me know in the comments below if you want more like fun videos or yeah, just exploring, enjoying. See you on the next one.